Today, we will walk you through the entire process of opening an account with ATFX. In this tutorial, you will learn how to register an account and complete your E-KYC verification step by step. First, visit ATFX.com. Click the Open Account button in the top right corner of the page. Then, click Register. You will be directed to the registration page to fill in your personal details. Select your country of residence and fill in your first and last name. Enter the phone number and email address you would like to use for verification. Create a password for your account. Make sure your password is 8 to 15 characters long and includes uppercase and lowercase letters as well as numbers. Enter the CAPTCHA shown on your screen. If you have an invitation code from a friend or family member, enter the code. If not, you may simply skip this step. Tick the box to accept the ATFX terms and conditions, then click Next. Next, select the trading platform you would like to use, either MT4 or MT5. Now, you'll need to verify your contact information. Click Confirm. Enter the CAPTCHA on your screen. Click the Send button and you'll receive a 6-digit code sent to your email for verification. Enter the code and click Submit. Next, you will need to complete the E-KYC verification. Click Start E-KYC and tick the box to verify your identity. Select your document issuing country and the type of identification document you wish to submit. Then, take a photo or upload images of the front and back of your identification document. Make sure the photos are clear and all details are visible. Check all of your document details are correct and click Next. Fill in your home address. Additional proofs are optional. Tick the boxes to accept the terms and conditions, then click Submit. Your application has now been successfully submitted. Once your application is approved, you'll receive another email with your live trading account details. Now, head back to the ATFX homepage and sign in using your email address and password you have signed up. Next, navigate to the Trading Platform tab and download the MT4 or MT5 trading platform. Once the download is complete, enter your MetaTrader login ID and password, and you're all set to begin your trading journey with ATFX.